Hey everybody, Kurt Henry here, mortgage broker at the Mortgage Center. We are your go-to mortgage broker in the Durham region, and this is a weekly mortgage market update just to let you know what's going on in the mortgage market. So we know the Bank of Canada didn't do anything this time around. We also know the Bank of Canada has two more rate announcement dates scheduled for this year. One is on October 25th and one is December 6th. Really anything can happen on those rate announcement dates. We know there was a jobs report that came out today, which is Friday, that showed that unemployment was the same in August as it was in July, but it also showed that there was 40,000 more jobs created in the economy versus the expectation of 20,000 new jobs. Now that's a good thing for those people that got those new jobs, of course, but on a macro level, it tends to show that the economy isn't doing as bad as what some hope it would be doing, which is what's needed for rates to stop increasing. So hopefully by the time the next Bank of Canada rate announcement comes along on October 25th, that jobs report is well into the rear view mirror, but time will tell. So no guarantee really either way on what the Bank of Canada will do on those next rate announcement dates, although a lot can happen between now and then as far as reports on the economy as that happens. One thing I want to mention is we find a lot of people tend to think if they're looking to refinance a mortgage or renew their mortgage or get a pre-approval to buy a place, they think that they have until the next Bank of Canada rate announcement date before they have to make a decision, thinking that fixed rates won't increase until that date. And that's not correct, because what happens is fixed mortgage rates go up and down regardless of when the next Bank of Canada rate announcement date is. And over the last few days, there's been quite a bit of volatility in the bond market, and it's the bonds that actually mostly impact fixed mortgage rates. So in other words, just because the next Bank of Canada rate announcement isn't until October 25th, doesn't mean that fixed mortgage rates cannot increase between now and then. So if you're thinking about, if you have a mortgage coming up for renewal or looking for a pre-approval or looking to refinance, the point is that you should get a rate hold as soon as possible. Normally we can get a rate hold to hold a fixed mortgage rate for up to 4 months. And then that way, if the rates go up between now and 4 months from now, you don't have to worry about it because we would have already gotten the rate hold. But if the rates go down, you'd still get the lower rate typically. So if you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out. And last point is, if you do have a mortgage renewal coming up within 4 to 5 months, be sure to talk to us about that sooner than later, because you really want to get that rate hold on the 4-month mark prior to maturity. So that's that. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and we'd be happy to help.